What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use your Google Play Store. So basically, if you didn't see what I just pressed, was this button here. So your Play Store, you got games, apps, movies, TV, books, and music. So as you can see, you have to pay for music and you have to pay for the books. They're ebooks, not physical books. You can watch movies on your phone. You have all kind of movies here you can rent or buy. Some of them, they're pretty much new, like Pikachu. They didn't come out too long ago. Apps and game apps. So there's a different kind of apps, and so are these, but they're more like gaming apps. So you have the top charts. You press top charts here to see, what's trending right now. Baseball Fury is trending. This random game here looks pretty cool, actually. So you have, a ton of choices. There's new games being released pretty much almost every day now. So yeah. You can choose your action, adventure, RPG. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.